climate change is a hoax, and the electric vehicle is an abomination. If you rode that horse the same distance as you drove the car, the horse emits as much CO2 as a Corvette. Is that if we changed all cars into horses, we would be emitting as much CO2 as 1 billion Corvettes. Now, we dig coal out of the ground in large quantities. We then burn it in power stations, which produces CO2. When you plug your electric vehicle in, you are probably producing CO2. It just isn't being measured. You see, the automotive industry has cleverly found a way to move the problem, not solve the problem. A longer range requires a larger battery, which means a larger CO2 penalty. And now it has emitted more CO2 than the conventional vehicle. It has contributed more to climate change than the conventional vehicle, and that is the crux of the problem. In fact, to offset the CO2 from the electric vehicle, you would need to drive it around 450,000 miles before you offset that CO2.